Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can upload shorts to your YouTube account using your laptop or PC. This is very quick and easy. Just follow these simple steps and you will be able to upload YouTube shorts to your account. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to select shorts in the top left. As you can see here, shorts, click on shorts. Now after you see here shorts, what you need to do, guys, next you want to click this plus button where it says create in the top right. Okay, now make sure the video the video size is this is the YouTube short size. As you can see, it's 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. That's exactly what you want to go with YouTube shorts. Now make sure that the video is less than 60 seconds, so less than 1 minute. And after you do this, guys, all you have to do, you want to click this this plus button in the top right, click on it, then click upload video. Now next thing you want to do, guys, you want to upload, you want to click select files, as you can see, and then select the video. Okay, make sure, like I said, it's less than 1 minute. I'm going to select this video, for example. Okay, I'm going to select another one. Now the reason why you have to upload less than 1 minute videos, because if you upload a long video, it will not be uploaded as a short. Okay, it will be uploaded as a normal video. Now after you do that, you just enter here the title of the short, for example, amazing football or anything like that. Now the description, you just want to enter here your description, what your video is all about, like just explain to the viewer what they are going to expect for the video. And here you can just for now, like, you can change the thumbnail on your short. Like you can just add a thumbnail, a custom thumbnail to your short. And here where it says that add a video to one of more playlists, you can just ignore this. It's not that important. Playlists are not that really important. So tags, you can just put here where it says tags. Like for example, if your video talks about football, just add here football skills, Cristiano Ronaldo, and that's it, guys. Let's scroll down and then you can change your video language here. If you live in United States, select English. That's it. And then after that, you want to scroll down a little bit, and here where it says how to, you just have to select what category are your videos. For example, it doesn't really matter, just select one of these. You can go with anyone here, like gaming, film and animation, entertainment, education. For that, guys, you just want to select here next, and that's it. And then click next again, and then click save. And that's exactly, guys, what you need to do to upload shorts from your PC. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day.